Hi guys, it's Queen and Pastor King. We back with another video. Um, we just came to talk to y'all today, I guess. Just vlogging, seeing how everybody's doing. Today is my day off, trying to enjoy it. Hope everybody is happy and feeling blessed today. They're blessed to see another day. Before we get into that, we're going to start off by saying our grace. God is grace, God is good, and we thank Him for our food. Bow our heads, say our prayers. Thank the Lord our daily bread. God, thank you for this meal we're about to receive. Let it be nourished to our bodies. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Anyway, how are you guys doing today? We got something light, something light. I don't know what time it is over there where you guys are at, but it is 1:02 out here, just doing something light. Got us a fried piece of tilapia, straight out the grease, and some boiled eggs. With that being said, we're going to enjoy this food. I'm going to do my little boot and then slide. I'm sorry, guys. I'm going to do my little thumbnail if I can. My fish on the fall on the floor. But yeah, something like that. I got us some 2 times spicy sauce. I forgot my hot sauce.
Got some lemonade, pink lemonade juice.
Guys, if y'all have not already tried it, y'all should try 2 times spicy on your boiled eggs. It's so good.
Oh, it's really good.
Ooh, I think you better rub some of that to the next one. You're going to be on fire. Put a tad bit there for your fish. Guys, I'm running out of 2 times spicy, but I'm going to get some more. Going to get some more, guys. I'm finally starting to get used to the heat level of that 2 times spicy. Oh my lord. But with that being said, here's y'all's bite.
Where's your bag?
Oh my god, guys. Comment down below if y'all's Family Dollar Tree where y'all are at in your town is going up from $1.25 to $5. Because we're remodeling where I work at, and it's a lot of work.
Yeah.
A lot of work.
It is a lot of work.
But guys, I'm blessed to see another day. See how this fish is. I've been feeding for fish, guys. I wanted some catfish, guys, but it was too expensive. So I would deal with the tilapia. Mm.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
This fish is good, guys. It's really good.
And it's still hot, guys. Right off the stove. Oh my God! Comment down below and tell us what your weather is like where you're at. It's hot out here.
It's hot.
We had some rainy days, but oh my God.
It's hot. I mean, it's, when I say it's hot, it's hot. Oh, guys.
It's really hot outside, guys. Oh, here you go. This part, guys. I like it just like that. It's so crunchy.
So they, it's really confident.
I let mine stay in there. Is that part crunchy?
Oh gosh, I forgot to tell you guys. Y'all need backpacks. You got the backpacks coming out. It's hot.
It is burning up hot outside. I am.
Like you wanna stay in the house and sit underneath the paint. Hi guys.
That's what I was telling you. Because I let it fry too long. Yeah. It was real crunchy. I was about to get the door for you too. Oh my God.
So how your day been going, guys? Okay. I got been
How are you guys doing today? There you go.
you guys in the bite. Excuse me, I'll be here in 2 seconds.
That's okay. Mr. Craig, have a nice rest of the day and stay
Oh.
cool out there. It's hot.
Yeah.
It's really hot. Once you get out there, it's hot.
Going to the doctor. I'll be back. I'll pull up. So keep an eye.
Okay.
It'll be about 215, 220 right in there.
Okay, that's fine. Mr. Thank you, Mr. Gray. I appreciate
no
it.
problem.
Hey guys. How about that? How's
It's a
the,
lovely day today.
how's the Queen and Pastor King family doing today? I know y'all missing me. Y'all miss us?
Today is Wednesday, the 10th. Comment down below and tell me, guys, is this y'all's day off? If not, I hope you guys are having a blessed day at work.
We had a black day over there.
We had to excuse us that was our roommate who was just walking through, but yeah. I'm sorry guys, this finger looking good. I know y'all probably like, Queen don't never be getting her no napkin. I'm gonna get some because I'm gonna get some more for my job, but we've been closed my last work day, so I couldn't get really what I needed. So I'm sorry about that, guys.
Sorry.
You know the pastor always smashes his food. And he always trying to smash so he ain't mine.
No.
He eat my food. It don't bother me.
Queen like to share her food with me, guys.
Well, yes, God. Anyway. This food is so good, guys. I don't know. I have paused for a minute. I didn't want to be rude. My roommate, I knew he was going to come through to get to the garage anyway. So, I had paused really talking about the conversation I was about to have, but I've been having a taste for fish lately, guys. And I really wanted some catfish, but the catfish was a little expensive. I could have afforded it. You know, you got to treat yourself every now and then. But I just bought, I could say probably like $60 worth of seafood.
Yeah.
I got some um I got some jumbo prawns. Oh my god, wait till you see these, guys. I'm gonna do a video for you guys. We got a seafood boil video coming up for you guys. I think we're gonna have that tonight. And if we don't have the seafood boil mukbang for y'all tonight, then we will do a pizza and a 2 times spicy chicken wing video for you guys. So
Let's see him going away. Kind of like describe. Do you think Pastor King gonna win?
he thinks it's a challenge. I'm not doing a challenge.
And I'm just praying.
We're gonna have pizza
I'm just sprinkling Queen.
and some 2 times spicy.
Yeah, we just gonna have some chicken fries, guys, with some pizza. It's gonna be really good.
2 times spicy hot wings, hot chicken. But doing the challenge, guys, it might be a challenge. I don't know yet. But 2 times spicy, as you can see for me, I'm just really getting used to eating really, really, really hot stuff. And that's crazy because I love spicy food. Like, I actually really love hot sauce. But that 2 times spicy, I don't know. Then we're gonna have another. We're gonna have this is gonna be a challenge though. We're gonna have another challenge, and we're gonna do the what is it called? The ghost pepper chicken noodle challenge that I see a lot of people doing.
Oh yeah, Queen wants me to do that.
Yeah, I want to do that. I told him I don't know if I'm gonna be able to beat him doing it, but I feel like if I just start eating and don't talk and just keep going and don't think about it, I think I'll be able to beat him.
Yes, you might be able to beat me in this one.
But I don't know. I don't know. Because Pastor King, he'll say, oh, she might be able to beat me. But he be smashing. Y'all seen how fast he ate his food. Sometimes I look at his food and be like, dang, well, he ate faster than me. And I be like, looking over, I'm like, yeah, I know why he ate faster than me. He want to eat my dang food.
I think she might win that 2-time news. We're gonna see about that.
But guys, as you can see, it is hot outside. I'm blessed to see another day. I'm blessed to be off today. Like, you know, I have a friend that is paralyzed from the waist down. He wants me to braid his hair, but you know how it is, guys, on your day off. I don't have him a day off to be doing extra work. So, you know, and I'm not being mean because most of the time I always do it for him. I cook him meals. I give him I make $10 plates and stuff, barbecuing and doing stuff like that. Stuffed bacon wrapped peppers, steak, hamburgers, chicken, all that stuff. And we live in the suburbs, so it is kind of spendy, But money, you can't, die with it. So at the end of the day, I feel like, spend it wisely. But, if you have it to help somebody else out, then you do it. But if you can't, then, you gotta just let the Lord handle that, But yeah, I'm really blessed to be able to do this video with you guys. I did a actual video when Pastor King wasn't home. It was just a little video for you guys. I was just eating me some, I think, leftovers. But I think I should post it for you guys too.
Yes, you did.
But I know y'all don't like short videos, so I'm trying to make my videos longer for you guys. I just want to remind you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. You know, share our videos so that way we'll be able to get more viewers and be able to do more videos for you guys. Um, Comment down below and let us know. Comment down below and let us know what challenges you would actually like us to do. So one of the challenges that I really do want to do for you guys, we did it once before. We did it on our actual family Facebook page, and it was actually funny. You know, we got a lot of comments, and you know, it was funny. So I want to do a nice new fresh one for you guys and do the 10-time spicy wing challenge. You know, to see which one of us will win it. But other than that, you know, I'm just blessed to see another day, guys. I'm about done eating. I wanted to take a little brief minute and do a video with you guys. I know y'all always say, oh, well, Pastor Queen and King, they just, you know, do their videos too fast. I'm sorry that sometimes I do my videos in my room, but I'm not sorry. Because at the end of the day, some days I come home from work and I still do work for you guys by getting these videos out for you. So, with that being said, you know, we always end our videos with like, comment, and subscribe. Treat others how you would want to be treated. And we love y'all, Queen and Pastor King family. Once again, Eugene was trying to tell y'all the boxes of love will be out soon. We have the backpacks coming out
Next Saturday.
The
20th.
So if you guys need a backpack for your kids, like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. We're not asking for any money. We are doing this for the families who are in need and really need backpacks for their kids. Once again, don't forget, guys, we have Sunday services. We have Bible study. I have not been doing the Power Hour prayer page because I haven't been set on it yet. But I do have some prayers for you guys coming soon. That page will be up and going, but everything is going to be down in the description below this video. So once again, just like, comment, and subscribe. Share our videos. We appreciate all of our viewers that we have now. Thank you for coming and tuning in. And I don't know. You got anything else you want to say?
I want to thank the ones that have been watching our services on Facebook Live. Thank you for the ones that have been tuning in. We appreciate it. God bless you.
God bless you guys. And you know our slogan, after we eat, we're ready to go to sleep. With that being said, we're out, guys.